Shanvi and welcome back to my channel. Ta-da da da da. So guys, I got a lot of requests on my previous video saying that you all want a video for gifts for her because girls are very confusing and demanding. So here I am with a video in which I'm going to show you all a lot of products which are affordable and worth it products for the woman of your life. So I'm going to show you all 20 amazing, cute, unique, worth it gifts that almost every other girl uses, and all the links are in the description box below. So let's get started.
Product 1. 3-layer chain necklace that I ordered from Amazon. It is gold plated and trending. It is originally for 1200 but I got it for 230 because of the discounts running on Amazon. Product 2, which is also ordered from Amazon, M Caffeine Coffee Mood Skin Care Gift Kit. It is Amazon's #1 bestseller in bath sets and kits, so y'all should definitely buy this. It has a handkerchief, body scrub, face mask, and face wash in it with a wood brew scoop. And the best part is the price. Like, it was for 2020 but right now it is 1615 rupees only. It's pretty good and worth it to buy. Product 3, ordered from Amazon. Victoria's Secret's Bare Vanilla Fragrance Shimmer Mist. I mean, which girl doesn't like Victoria's Secret? So basically, wherever you apply the mist, you get the shimmer. The best part is it was for 1550 and now it's just for 1200. I mean, it's worth it and all the girls love it. So this is a definitely buy thing. Product 4, ordered from Amazon. Fujifilm Instax Mini 9. I mean, this is one thing that a lot of people know and a lot of girls want it. I ordered it like 2 years back or something, but it's still in trend and it has more than 21,000 reviews on Amazon and it is one of the best sellers. You can also buy the latest version, which is Mini 11, and the difference is the upgraded version and it has automatic operation, and the price, which is 5,000. Product 5, ordered from Amazon, multi-layered gold plated choker. It is too much in trend. The original price was 920 but right now it's available for 225 only. Product 6, Vega hairstyling set, ordered from Amazon. A lot of girls are very confused as to which straightener, curler or hairdryer to buy. So I feel that this is a perfect set of all because it has all three in it and the price is very reasonable. Initially it was for 2500 but after discount you get it for 1950, which is worth it, and the products are really nice. I think this is something that you should gift your girl or your mom because it's worth it, and it also has the user manual for hairdryer, straightener and curler. Product number 7, I got this iconic swan pendant from Swarovski because girls really love Swarovski and they do have different sizes and colors for the same. Product 8, Swarovski gift set, which has a necklace which is 38 cm long and earrings of 0.5 cm each. It gives a very romantic and a stunning vibe. It's a must try gift and they do have a lot of variety, so go check their collection. Swarovski is the best gift that you can give someone. It's elegant, lovely and romantic as well. Product 9, which is a blanket. I ordered it from Amazon and it is very comfortable, soft and it gives a luxurious feel and a worth it product. Product 10 is from Miniso. It's a neck pillow. So I got it from Colaba Miniso branch, but you can even order it online on Amazon. There are a lot of colors available. Product 11, which is a perfume from Miniso. So this perfume is currently out of stock, or maybe you can go and buy it from the store, but online there are a lot of perfumes available from the range of 150 to 800 to 1000. So you can check it out, or if you want to buy offline, you can go to the store and buy it. So I know guys you're wondering what is this? This is a facial cleaner. I got it from Miniso. It helps in removing dirt and impurities, and it's like a facial massager. So I got this two-piece set, which is a hoodie and a jogger, just for 700 rupees from Street Style store, which is online, and trust me, it's worth it. Product number 14, high knee boots from the same store, that is Street Style store. I got these boots for just 700 rupees. Amazing quality. Product 15, red retro sunglasses. I came across these glasses on Instagram on a website called as Uno India. These glasses give a very funky and a very cool look, so I really liked it. Product number 16, eye candy sunglasses. I got these glasses from the same site, and these glasses caught my eyes because they are so unique and they're so different. I know like the price is a bit more, but I think it's worth it because they're unique. Product number 17. I got this dress from Look At Me Boutique. Basically, this is a store at Sipatang Circle which has clothes that were available on Shein. So I think they're very affordable and nice. Girls really love jewelry, and oxidized jewelry is something which goes on every outfit that you wear. And the best place to buy oxidized jewelry is Colaba. A lot of variety and really reasonable. Product 19. I got this scarf from Myntra and the quality is amazing. This is something that you can definitely gift your mom. Product 20, purse. So if the woman in your life is a huge fond of purses and really loves to have purse ka collection, you can definitely go to Colaba, which has huge variety of purses and at affordable price.
So guys, these were all the gifts and suggestions from my side. I hope you all liked the video, and thank me guys for saving you all. So don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment, and share it with all your male friends, and girls, you all can buy it for yourselves too. Zaruri nahi hai ki ladke la ke de. Anyways, that's it from my side. Thank you. Bye.